We're doing zombie sums, multiplication. Okay, so our story is that you have a palace. This is a palace. This whole container is 100 blocks. Okay, put that down. 100 blocks are in here. Okay, except for the ones you took out now. So, to be a king, you have to have 10 golden bars. Okay, there are 10 kings in our palace. Okay, here's our kings and here's our princes. Né? So when we do a sum or number value or anything where we say the tens and the units, we take this out and this. Okay, so our kings always have 10 golden bars. The princes aren't quite rich enough to be a king yet. He still needs some experience. So that's the units. Let's say our king has 10, always 10, and our prince has 4 units. So that's how we do number value name. But now when we do a zombie sum, we say, okay, we've got all the kings from the palace. They want to listen to classical music, and we've got the princes from the palace. They want to listen to R&B music. Okay, so we keep them apart. The tens are apart, the units are apart. Okay, now let's say we have a normal plus sum like 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 37 plus 13. Okay, that's our plus sum. Now we're going to put the tens together, 30 plus 10. We're going to put the units together, 7 plus 3. Okay, and then 30 plus 10 is? 30 plus 10 is? Counting tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, and now we count our units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, according to our rule, is this a king or a prince?
A king.
A king. So how many kings do we have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 37 plus 13 is the answer? 50. Okay, so that's how we do our zombie sums. If we do a minus, we'll say, okay, 27, and the prince's girlfriend, the future princess, wants 12 golden bars because she needs to plan the wedding. Okay, so now the prince doesn't have enough money, so he can't give her 12 golden bars. Né? Now he asks the king. So we've got how much? 27. Né? Now we want to give her 12. Can he give 12? No, he only has 7. So he goes and asks the king, Dad, can I please have some golden bars? We need to plan the wedding. So instead of just giving the amount that he needs, the king's very generous. He gives him 10 golden bars. Now, how much does the king have left?
10.
10, okay. And then the prince can give his girlfriend the golden bars because he borrowed. Né? Now we need to take away 12. So we take away 2 and 10. We don't even have to count because we know that's 10. This is always 10. Okay. Now how much is the left? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now, when we do multiplication, I'm going to use an easy one. We're going to say 3 times 3. Now, can you quickly think of the answer? What's 3 times 3?
9.
Okay, that's from memory. Nay, that's from studying it. But now, will you please look at me? Okay. We've got 3 times 3. What does 3 times 3 mean? It's 3 plus 3 plus 3. Do you agree? Okay, now let's make it difficult. 13 times 3. Okay, can you tell me what's 13 times 3? No, because you didn't memorize it, no. Okay, so now we need to figure out the answer. Listen. So, zombie sums. We give the king his friends and we give the princess his friends. So we put the tens together. 10 times 3 and 3 times 3. Okay, so what's 10 times 3? 30. Okay, just calm down. 30. And what's 3 times 3? 9. So how much is 13 times 3? 30 plus 9. So you have 30. Now what's plus 9? You know it. It's mental math. What's 30 plus 9? Okay, you can count. 10, 20, 30, 33, 36, 39. Or you can count 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, do you understand zombie sums multiplication? Okay, so now let's just quickly look at this. So, can you see here? Move closer so you can also see. Okay, so times mean, okay, that symbol means times, we multiply. So 18 times 3 is the same as 18 plus 18 plus 18. So when we break it down, the kings, the tens, the kings, the princess, and the total, okay? So 18 plus 18 plus 18, what's the tens in 18?
80.
What's the tens in 18? How many kings are there in 18? 10, okay? And the units in 18 is? 8. So now we say 10 plus 10 plus 10 and 8 plus 8 plus 8. So it's like our 13 times 3 sum, but now the units is 8. Now the total is the answer of the tens plus the answer of the units, okay? But we're grade 3. We don't do repeated addition. We do multiplication. So you're going to break down 18. 18. So the sum is 18 times 3. So we say tens times 3, units times 3. So it's 10 times 3 is? 30. And 8 times 3. Quickly count in threes, 8 times. Get 8 fingers and count in threes. That's 9. Okay? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So it's 30 plus 24. That will give you the answer to 18 times 3. Okay?